Powerful magnetic antenna. Our most powerful magnetic antenna yet. SMA Connector. Fits Drive X and Drive 4GX. Sleek design. Shark fin design complements vehicle aesthetics. Quick placement antenna. Strong magnetic base for easy, secure placement. Includes low-loss antenna. Equipped with 10 feet length of low-loss antenna cable. Easy cable routing. 4 cable exit points to ensure better cable routing. Durable construction. Repels rain, snow, and heat. Carrier compatibility. Compatible with every network and all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, and U.S. Cellular. 5G ready. weBoost products will work for the next decade and beyond. U.S. based company. All weBoost products are designed and assembled in the U.S. and come with friendly U.S. based customer support. Top reviews from the United States. Got what I wanted at a good price. Exactly what I wanted. Worked well. Used it with my processor at work to get signal.